Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold now trading at a level of $3356.350. Okay. And if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, there is a continuous upside is there. Okay, this is the particular upside we have seen. Now it is trying to form a narrow pattern, as well as if you look at this trend, a flag pattern is trying to create in this particular level. Okay, and if you look at this trend also, what we have seen, yesterday's week high was at around 33.56. The price is trading at that particular level. If it started falling below this level, then we can see there can be a further fall towards a level of around 33.24, and from there next support, that is $33.03. Okay, and if the price fall below this level, it can touch a level of 32.59, and then a further downfall will be there. Okay, and but if the price keeps sustaining of this level, then the next resistance coming at a level of $34.07, that will be resistance 1, and from there next level, that is 34.34, this is the resistance 2 we can see. Okay, and if the price going above that level, we can see a level of 34.99, that is resistance 3 level. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, the price of gold depends on a lot of factors. One of the factor is dollar index, because it is inversely related to gold. Okay, now I will explain you with the help of dollar index also, but previously how the gold has moved on the day wise chart and 2 hours chart. I'll explain you a daily chart. Okay, a day wise chart. Now the price is trading in this particular range. Okay, if you look at this range, it has break this particular range. So now after making a half around $34.01, it is moving in this particular range. As soon as the price started going above this level, probability will be high, it can cross a level of $33.83, and it will cross today's high of around $34.01, and then a further upside movement we can see. But if it started going below a level of 33.34, then there is a chance that it can move further down, because this range will be a further fall, and then a probability of going towards $33.23 we can see. Okay, because see, it is trying to go into a narrow zone. If you look at this narrow zone, so there can be a chances that it can make a new all-time high also. If the price started sustaining above a level of 3400, chances of going further upside we can see. Okay, coming back on the dollar index, see, dollar index plays an important role because it is inversely related, and in the movement of gold, see, Fed interest rate, CPI data, PPI data, these are all responsible for the gold movement also. These are the sum of the factors. The price is now trading below a level of $100. Okay, below a level of 99 also, the dollar index. So if the price started going below this level, it can touch a level of 98.5, and from there a further fall we can towards 98.3. Okay, then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price can move further fall, and yes, after that there is a probability that it can touch a level of $97.6, and if the price going below that particular level, chance of touching 96.9 will be there. Okay, and then we can see from this particular level a bounce back can come, but if that didn't come, we can see a further downfall towards a level of around 95.13, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can show $94.3. Okay, but suppose if started sustaining above this level, probability of going towards next level, that is 99.4, and from there a further upside we can see towards 99.6, then to a level of $100, and once started going over this level, probability of touching 100.5 we can see, and from there a level of 101.6, then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see it can move toward 102.9, and then a further upside movement we can see. Okay, so there will be a probability that it can move toward 103.5 to a level of 104.5, and then a further high. Okay, now coming again on the gold price, if you look at the gold price, now gold price again trading at a level of $3355.795. Okay, so if the price didn't sustain this particular level, it can come down again towards next level, that is coming at a level of around 33.25. Okay, and if the price started going below that particular level, chance of touching 33.03 we can see. Okay, and suppose if the price falling below that particular level, then we can see the resist support third will be 32.61. Suppose if the price fall below this level, chance of touching 32.45 we can see. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $32.02. Okay, so this will be our resistance fourth. Okay, so you have to understand that as soon as the price started going below this level, it can move towards after this particular level, because this is already being tested, so the price can fall further down towards next level of $3168. Okay, but suppose if the price sustain above this level, it can move again towards a level of 33.70, and if the price going above that level, we can see a level of $34.04. Okay, this is the resistance too, and if the price going above that particular level, then the next level we can see it can touch a level of $34, and once the price going above that particular level, chance of touching 35.03 we can see, and then there will be a zone breakout towards an upside, so we can see the price can go further upside. Okay, so you can trail your SL by $15, so you can capture if the price goes above a level of $35.50 to a level of $35.70, and then 3600, then a further upside movement we can see. Okay, I've already explained you the downside also and upside also, so you have to remember on the week chart it is easy, as we can see the price is moving in this range. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.